Jojo. Alright, well, Jojo's asleep in the back of the class, except for Tommy Mayer. Tommy Mayer's still right there. But, yeah, we fell asleep, and, so, something just happened. Alright, so, the talent show just came on, and Rebecca is leaving the room because she was singing. Well, anyways, Jojo's still,
What's that loud noise? Oh, talent show, man. I didn't go because I'm
Jojo,
lazy.
you look black right there. Alright, you're lazy?
I'm lazy, but you know what? I'm tired of the back of the room. I'm going up to the front of the bus. Come on, Bo.
I don't want to. I'm too lazy to get up. Jerk. Pin drop. Okay, so he's sitting right next to me now. And,
My phone fell out.
Jojo's phone fell out. It's right there. It's right there.
If you want my number, call me at 704-123-4567.